From the snowy peaks of the Himalayas to the bustling streets of Tokyo, one remarkable creature has woven itself into the very fabric of human existence: the dog. For centuries we have cherished these loyal companions, yet only recently have we begun to unravel the profound ways in which they impact our lives. Groundbreaking research from Johns Hopkins University has revealed that dogs don't simply offer companionship. They actively reshape our brain chemistry on a daily basis. Imagine for a moment a world where our understanding of mental well-being is transformed by the simple act of sharing our lives with these extraordinary animals. Join me, if you will, as we embark on a journey into the heart of the human-animal bond. Together, we'll uncover 9 astonishing ways your dog is secretly transforming your brain, boosting your health, and enriching your life beyond measure. Be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on more incredible insights into the animal kingdom, our extraordinary planet, and the wonders of life itself. In the hush of twilight, as the day surrenders to the embrace of night, a remarkable transformation unfolds in homes around the world. Dogs, with an intuition honed over millennia, draw close to their human companions, seeking solace and warmth. But this ancient ritual offers far more than simple comfort. It holds the key to a deeper, more restorative sleep for both species. Research from the esteemed Mayo Clinic has illuminated the fascinating science behind this phenomenon. When we drift off to sleep alongside our canine companions, our brains release a surge of oxytocin, the very hormone responsible for bonding and affection. This, in turn, promotes the production of theta brainwaves, those soothing electrical impulses associated with deep relaxation and sleep. Imagine for a moment the gentle rise and fall of your dog's chest as they slumber peacefully beside you. This synchronized breathing, this shared rhythm of life, creates a feedback loop of tranquility, calming your nervous system and ushering you into a more profound sleep. The benefits, however, extend far beyond a single night of rest. Studies have shown that dog owners who share their beds with their furry friends experience fewer sleep disturbances and wake feeling more refreshed and energized. This improved sleep quality, in turn, ripples outward, enhancing cognitive function, boosting mood, and strengthening the very fabric of our physical and mental well-being. So, the next time you find yourself drifting off with your faithful companion by your side, take a moment to appreciate the intricate dance of hormones and brainwaves unfolding within you both. It is a testament to the extraordinary power of the human-animal bond, a bond that has the remarkable ability to transform even the most fundamental aspects of our lives, beginning with the simple act of sleep. Deep within the bustling metropolis, amidst the towering skyscrapers and relentless pace of modern life, our bodies are engaged in a constant battle against an invisible world of microscopic invaders. Yet, within our homes, a powerful ally stands guard, a furry protector armed with a secret weapon, a microbiome teeming with beneficial bacteria. Scientists have long understood the importance of early exposure to a diverse range of microbes for building a robust immune system. This concept, known as the hygiene hypothesis, suggests that our overly sanitized modern environments may be partly to blame for the rise in allergies and autoimmune disorders. Enter the dog, a creature who lives life nose first, exploring the world with a gusto that would make even the most adventurous human blush. In doing so, they pick up a veritable menagerie of microbes, many of which, when transferred to their human companions, can have surprisingly positive effects. Studies have shown that children who grow up in households with dogs have a lower risk of developing allergies, asthma, and eczema. It's as if these canine companions act as a kind of microbial vaccine, introducing our immune systems to a wider range of potential threats and teaching them to distinguish friend from foe. But the benefits don't stop in childhood. Research has also revealed that adults who share their lives with dogs have improved immune markers, indicating a heightened ability to fight off infections. So, the next time your furry friend greets you with a sloppy kiss or a playful nudge, remember that they're not just showering you with affection. They're also sharing a precious gift, a boost to your body's natural defenses. In a world that often feels increasingly isolating, with technology connecting us virtually while distancing us physically, the need for genuine connection, for the solace of another living being, has never been greater. And it is within this space, this yearning for understanding, that the extraordinary emotional intelligence of dogs shines brightest. Scientists at the University of British Columbia have discovered that simply being in the presence of a dog can lower our stress levels, reducing feelings of loneliness and anxiety. But what is it about these furry companions that hold such power over our emotional well-being? The answer, it seems, lies in the intricate dance of neurochemicals unleashed within our brains when we interact with these extraordinary creatures. The gentle stroke of a dog's fur, the soothing rhythm of their breath, the unwavering warmth in their eyes, all trigger a cascade of hormonal changes that have a profound impact on our mood and sense of self. As we pet a dog, our brains release oxytocin, the love hormone, flooding our system with feelings of contentment and trust. Simultaneously, levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, plummet, replaced by a sense of calm and well-being. It is, in essence, a natural form of therapy, a chemical symphony orchestrated by thousands of years of coevolution. For individuals battling depression, anxiety, or simply the everyday stresses of modern life, the presence of a dog can be transformative. Their unwavering loyalty, their ability to live fully in the present moment, serves as a constant source of comfort and support, reminding us of the simple joys life has to offer. Imagine for a moment strolling through your neighborhood park on a sunny afternoon, your faithful canine companion trotting happily by your side. As you navigate the familiar paths, you find yourself drawn into conversations with fellow dog owners, exchanging smiles and stories about your beloved pets. This, in essence, is the social catalyst effect in action, a phenomenon well documented by researchers at the University of Western Australia. Dogs, it seems, possess an uncanny ability to break down social barriers, acting as furry ambassadors of goodwill and sparking connections between complete strangers. Studies have shown that dog owners are more likely to get to know their neighbors, make new friends, and feel a greater sense of belonging within their communities. But the benefits extend far beyond casual acquaintances. Dog parks, training classes, and even simple walks around the block provide opportunities for meaningful interactions, fostering a sense of trust and camaraderie among dog owners. And in a world where feelings of isolation and loneliness are on the rise, these connections, however unexpected, can be a lifeline. Research has shown that dog owners report higher levels of social support, which is strongly linked to improved mental and physical health. So the next time your dog tugs you towards a fellow canine enthusiast at the park, embrace the opportunity for connection. You never know what friendships might blossom from a shared love of these extraordinary creatures. Deep within the intricate network of arteries and veins that courses through our bodies, a silent symphony is constantly playing out, the rhythmic beating of our hearts, the lifeblood of our very existence. And while genetics and lifestyle choices undoubtedly play a role in our cardiovascular health, there is a surprising factor that can have a profound impact on our hearts: the presence of dogs in our lives. The American Heart Association, a leading authority on cardiovascular health, has recognized the remarkable link between dog ownership and improved heart health. Studies have shown that dog owners tend to have lower blood pressure, lower cholesterol levels, and are even more likely to survive a heart attack. But how can these furry companions, who seem to relish nothing more than a good belly rub and a playful game of fetch, have such a significant impact on our cardiovascular systems? The answer, it seems, lies in a fascinating combination of physiological and behavioral factors. Firstly, the simple act of petting a dog has been shown to lower blood pressure and reduce heart rate, inducing a state of calm and relaxation. Furthermore, dogs, with their boundless energy and enthusiasm for walks, encourage us to be more active, providing the perfect motivation to get our hearts pumping and our blood flowing. Perhaps even more intriguing is the phenomenon of heart rate synchronization, where the heartbeats of dogs and their owners have been observed to align during moments of close interaction. This remarkable connection, this shared rhythm of life, highlights the profound interconnectedness between humans and animals, a bond that extends to the very core of our being. As darkness descends and shadows lengthen, a primal instinct stirs within us, a heightened awareness of our surroundings, a need to feel safe and secure. And while modern security systems offer a sense of technological protection, there is an ancient form of guardianship that continues to provide unparalleled peace of mind: the presence of a dog in our homes. Home security experts will attest to the deterrent effect dogs have on potential burglars. The simple sound of a bark, the knowledge that a watchful presence resides within, is often enough to dissuade even the most determined intruder. But the sense of security dogs provide extends far beyond the walls of our homes. Studies from the University of California have shown that people walking with dogs are significantly less likely to experience street harassment or feel vulnerable in public spaces. The confidence, the air of authority that a dog projects, creates an invisible shield, deterring unwanted attention and fostering a sense of safety and well-being. This psychological safety, this feeling of being protected and cared for, has profound implications for our mental health. When we feel secure in our surroundings, our stress levels decrease, allowing us to move through the world with greater ease and confidence. In the tapestry of human existence, where the threads of time often feel frayed and fragmented, dogs emerge as unexpected weavers of order, masters of routine who, through their simple yet profound needs, bring structure and purpose to our days. For many, the demands of modern life can leave us feeling adrift, our schedules dictated by the relentless ping of notifications and the ever-growing to-do list. Dogs, with their unwavering need for walks, feeding times, and moments of play, provide a gentle yet persistent framework for our days, anchoring us to the present moment and fostering a sense of consistency that can be profoundly grounding. This inherent structure, this gentle rhythm of responsibility, can be particularly beneficial for individuals struggling with mental health challenges such as ADHD, depression, or anxiety. The act of caring for another living being, of ensuring their needs are met, provides a sense of purpose and accomplishment, a welcome respite from the often overwhelming demands of our own inner worlds. In fact, therapeutic programs incorporating dog care have shown remarkable success in helping individuals develop coping mechanisms, improve self-esteem, and cultivate a greater sense of responsibility. The simple act of walking a dog, for example, becomes a meditative practice, a chance to connect with nature, to breathe deeply, and to quiet the incessant chatter of the mind. In the intricate dance of courtship, where first impressions can make or break a potential connection, dogs emerge as unlikely yet highly effective wingmen, their very presence enhancing our attractiveness and signaling a wealth of desirable qualities to potential partners. Research has shown that dog owners are often perceived as more approachable, responsible, and trustworthy, all traits highly valued in the realm of romance. It seems that our furry companions act as a living, breathing character reference, their unwavering loyalty and unconditional love speaking volumes about our own capacity for empathy and compassion. Studies have also revealed that people are more likely to approach someone walking a dog, providing ample opportunity for conversation and connection. And let's be honest, who can resist the charm of a playful pup or the soulful gaze of a devoted canine companion? But the benefits extend beyond initial attraction. Sharing a dog with a partner can strengthen bonds, providing shared experiences, responsibilities, and a constant source of love and laughter. The simple act of walking a dog together, of navigating the ups and downs of pet ownership, can foster a sense of teamwork and shared purpose, deepening the connection between two individuals. In a world saturated with distractions, where our attention is constantly pulled in 1,000 different directions, dogs offer a profound gift, the ability to reconnect with the present moment, to experience the simple joys of life with a childlike wonder that many of us have long forgotten. Have you ever watched a dog greet the day? The unbridled enthusiasm, the tail-wagging excitement, the pure, unadulterated joy they exude? It's a masterclass in mindfulness, a reminder to embrace each moment as a gift, to find pleasure in the ordinary, to savor the world through our senses. Neuropsychological studies have shown that human-canine interactions have a profound impact on our brainwave patterns, inducing a state of calm focus and present-moment awareness. As we stroke their soft fur, gaze into their soulful eyes, or simply share a moment of quiet companionship, our minds quiet, our worries fade, and we are drawn into the present moment, where true peace and contentment reside. Dogs, it seems, are masters of mindfulness, living proof that happiness is not a destination, but a way of experiencing the world. They teach us to appreciate the simple things, the warmth of the sun on our faces, the gentle breeze rustling through the leaves, the unconditional love of a furry companion. So, the next time you find yourself feeling overwhelmed by the complexities of life, take a moment to simply be present with your dog. Let their unwavering presence, their infectious joy, remind you to slow down, to breathe deeply, and to rediscover the beauty of the present moment. As we've journeyed together through the fascinating world of canine companionship, we've uncovered a profound truth. Dogs are far more than just pets. They are healers, teachers, and furry guardians of our well-being. They enrich our lives in ways we are only beginning to understand, transforming our brains, boosting our health, and reminding us of the simple joys of being alive. But our exploration of the human-animal bond doesn't end here. In our next adventure, we'll delve into the surprising meaning behind your dog's full-body stretch, uncovering the fascinating science behind this everyday behavior. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Until then, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep cherishing the extraordinary bond you share with your canine companion.